If you want a carry-on that works for both short trips and longer adventures, don't worry, you're not the only one trying to figure it out. Finding luggage that balances cost, durability, and size can be tricky, but once you know what to look for, the choice gets easier. In this video, I'll show you 3 solid picks that serve different needs and budgets, a budget-friendly option that won't break the bank, a high-end choice loaded with thoughtful features, and an all-around winner that balances price and practicality. Stay tuned and let's see which one is right for you. Price information and all carry-ons mentioned in the video are available in the description. So let's get started. Number 3. Amazon Basics Hard Side Spinner Luggage. Best budget carry-on. The Amazon Basics 20-inch hard-side spinner luggage might not wow you with fancy extras, but it offers a surprisingly decent travel experience without draining your wallet. One of its biggest selling points is the cost, which hovers around a budget-friendly price that undercuts many similar carry-on bags on the market. If you travel only a handful of times each year, or want an affordable carry-on for the occasional vacation, this option makes sense. However, those who clock a lot of miles may want to keep some of its quirks in mind. At first glance, the shiny ABS shell seems rugged enough to handle everyday bumps, though it shows smudges and marks rather quickly. The older version apparently used a higher quality polycarbonate, but now it's built with a less durable ABS material that still performs decently in basic drop tests. While it will hold up to concrete stairs and rough handling, there will be some scuffs and dents on the surface. Size-wise, the Amazon Basics 20-inch hard-side spinner can be a little bigger than some airlines' carry-on guidelines. For instance, its 21.46-inch height slightly surpasses Delta's maximum dimension, though it often escapes scrutiny during check-in. You might want to be cautious if an airline tends to strictly enforce size limits. On the plus side, it weighs about 6.6 pounds and offers a 36-liter capacity, which is enough for a weekend trip or light business travel. The interior is split in a standard clamshell design. One side has crisscross straps to hold bulky items, while the other has a zippered panel with 2 small mesh compartments. Although these small pockets can keep cables or toiletries organized, they might feel cramped if you have thicker items like large battery packs. Maneuverability is adequate thanks to large double-spinner wheels that provide decent clearance. They handle smooth airport floors easily and do a passable job on rougher terrain, though it's wise not to expect premium performance if you're constantly trekking on cobblestones. The telescopic trolley handle has a bit of rattle and offers 3 height settings, which should fit most travelers' needs. It's not the sturdiest handle out there, but it rarely stalls or wobbles to the point of frustration. Both the top and side grab handles are placed high enough to work as makeshift bumpers if the luggage tumbles. In this budget range, it stacks up very well against other ultra-affordable carry-ons, like the Travelers Club Chicago or Cool Life Hardside Expandable. While those might offer extra features, such as built-in locks or slightly roomier interiors, the Amazon Basics bag's price remains a key advantage if you just need something simple that gets the job done. It doesn't come with a built-in lock, and its interior organization is bare bones, but in exchange, you're getting a tough shell, smooth zippers, and overall reliability for casual trips. That makes it a standout contender for the best budget carry-on. If you're prone to rough travel or plan on frequently flying abroad, upgrading to a more durable option like the Samsonite Freeform or Swissgear Scion Softside Expandable might be worth considering. But if money is tight or you're just an occasional flyer, the Amazon Basics 20-inch hardside spinner offers plenty of value and honest performance for the price. To sum up, what I like is that it's very affordable, it has decent storage capacity, the wheels roll smoothly on flat surfaces, and it's rugged enough for casual travel. On the downside, the ABS shell can mark up easily, there's no built-in lock, and the handle feels a bit rattly. Number 2. Tumi Alpha 3 International Expandable 4-Wheeled Carry-On. Best Premium Carry-On. Tumi Alpha 3 International Expandable 4-Wheeled Carry-On stands out as a phenomenal option in the higher-end price range because of its sturdy ballistic nylon shell, ample organization, and smooth rolling wheels. When you compare it to other luxury carry-on suitcases that hover around the $800 to $1,000 mark, the Alpha 3 delivers one of the best overall values. It's not cheap, but you get a durable, well-designed bag that's loaded with clever features. Right away, you'll notice how compact and functional it is. Despite the sleek dimensions, about 22 by 14 by 9 inches, it holds enough clothing for a long weekend or a short work trip, thanks to the built-in garment compartment for a suit and pockets both inside and out. You'll find that Tumi's signature ballistic nylon exterior feels more robust than many soft-side bags, giving it an advantage over competitors with lighter but less durable materials. Despite being a soft side, it retains its shape well and resists wear even after 20-plus flights. Although it does weigh in at about 10.9 pounds, the added heft provides a more balanced and sturdy feel when rolling it over different surfaces. If you stack it up against similarly priced models, you may find that some are lighter, but few match the Alpha 3's longevity and resilience. On maneuverability, the 4 dual spinner wheels glide effortlessly over carpet, marble, and other tricky floors. Even taller travelers found the telescoping handle comfortable to grip thanks to the 3 adjustable heights. The side and top handles remain low profile, so they don't snag on anything, yet they're strong enough for quick overhead lifting. This level of thoughtful design can be harder to find among other luggage in the same category, making the Alpha 3 feel like a refined upgrade. One of its biggest selling points is the abundance of smart organizational touches. The included USB-C cable lets you connect a power bank to charge devices through a hidden port on the side. The multiple pockets, both inside and out, help you sort smaller items like toiletries, electronics, and documents without cramming them all in one space. You also get straps and compression panels that keep items in place, plus a separate garment compartment that fits one suit. While some travelers might find the extra straps bulkier than they'd prefer, most will appreciate their practicality. From a business perspective, the understated design and minimalist black look make this luggage fit right into corporate travel settings. If you compare it with other premium carry-ons, you'll see that few balance style with features as well as the Alpha 3. Plus, Tumi's reputation for excellent customer service and the handy Tumi Tracer program, which helps locate lost luggage, add extra peace of mind. Still, there are a few things to consider before making the investment. First, the price tag can be intimidating at roughly $800 to $1,000. Second, because of its size, some budget airlines in Europe and Asia may ask you to check it instead of carrying it on. If these points are not deal breakers, the Tumi Alpha 3 should be at the top of your list for a well-built, well-organized carry-on that's tough enough for frequent flyers. To sum up, what I like is the durable ballistic nylon material, the excellent organizational features and USB-C port, the smooth 360-degree spinner wheels and sturdy handle, the stylish business-friendly design, and the Tumi Tracer and solid customer service. On the downside, it's expensive, it's slightly heavier than similar-sized carry-ons, and it may not fit certain budget airlines' restrictions. Number 1. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Expandable Carry-On Spinner. Our top choice. The Travel Pro Platinum Elite Expandable Carry-On Spinner might not have the same flashy reputation as some newer brands, but it consistently shows up in flight crews' hands for a reason. Let's see exactly why it deserves your attention, especially if you're aiming for the best carry-on luggage in its price range. Despite weighing about 8 pounds, it manages to provide a sturdy feel without becoming unwieldy. Many hard shells in the same price bracket often promise durability, but can fall short on smooth handling. With the Platinum Elite, you get 4 magnetically aligned spinner wheels that move in a straight line without veering off on their own. This means you can breeze through crowded terminals, cobblestones, or uneven sidewalks. It's surprisingly easy to maneuver, and you might even let go briefly without losing control. Storage is generous for a carry-on that measures about 22 by 14 by 9 inches. These dimensions technically exceed some airline standards by a small margin, but most travelers never have an issue fitting it into overhead bins. Its interior feels deceptively large, and it features multiple zippered compartments that help you stay organized. You get an extra 2 inches of expansion if you need it, although overstuffing any carry-on could draw airline scrutiny. Still, the tapered design helps avoid the bulge that sometimes causes tipping or difficulty fitting into overheads. This carry-on is built to endure rough treatment, and that's partly thanks to its high-density ballistic nylon with a DuraGuard coating. You can drag it over concrete or knock it around in taxis, and it emerges with barely a scuff. The zippers glide smoothly, and the extension handle feels solid at all heights. If problems arise, Travel Pro's limited lifetime warranty stands out in the market, covering wheels, zippers, and handles, plus damage by airlines, something few competitors match. Where this spinner pulls ahead of similarly priced rivals is its practical extras. The integrated TSA lock makes security checkpoints easier, and you can plug a power bank into the dedicated compartment for on-the-go device charging. Its waterproof section is handy for storing toiletries, although if you're packing several bottles, you might need an extra kit. Compared with other brands that offer similar extras, the Platinum Elite feels more thoughtfully designed, giving you a polished look for business trips without being too formal for a family vacation. The only real downside is that, at around 8 pounds, it's heavier than some alternatives. If your flight has strict weight limits, you might need to pay close attention to what you pack. Also, because it's a soft shell with a fair amount of external pockets, stuffing them too much can make it appear bulkier. However, even with these considerations, it's still well-balanced and rarely tips over, unlike other carry-ons in its class. Compared to other top-tier brands, the Platinum Elite offers a superior balance of quality, functionality, and price. It might cost a bit more than basic suitcases, but you're gaining effortless rolling, top-tier organization, water-resistant materials, and a robust warranty. That balance of cost, durability, and convenience is why I rank it as the best overall value carry-on in its price range. To sum up, what I like is the smooth, magnetically aligned spinner wheels, the excellent internal organization and expansion, the durable ballistic nylon with a solid warranty, and the integrated TSA lock and built-in USB charger pocket. On the downside, it's slightly heavier than average, its dimensions can exceed some airline standards, and the external pockets are easy to overstuff. Thanks for watching. If this helped you pick the right carry-on luggage, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and gear suggestions, and let me know in the comments which carry-on you're leaning towards and why. And if you're interested in more suggestions and reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Thanks again for watching, and happy travels.